Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by shaping the signals YouTube uses. Open history and remove 10-20 videos that misrepresent your interests so the algorithm stops reinforcing them. Once done, mark not interested on specific recommendations to give immediate negative feedback. If you want a temporary reset, pause watch history. This stops new data from skewing suggestions. You do this now because the system weights recent actions heavily, so a quick cleanup yields faster, noticeable changes. Next, actively teach the recommender what you prefer by feeding it consistent signals. Search for focused topics, watch full videos, and like or subscribe to channels you want prioritized. Finishing videos signals strong interest. Create dedicated playlists and watch them partially to indicate sustained preference, and make sure to avoid random short watches that send mixed messages. Over the next several days, these positive signals accumulate, nudging the algorithm toward more relevant. Finally, refine results and troubleshoot if progress stalls. Continue removing unwanted videos and reporting repetitive recommendations to force reevaluation. If you don't see change after about 1 week, clear app cache or log out and back in to refresh local data. Sometimes client-side caches delay updates. Make sure subscriptions and notification settings match your goals so YouTube reinforces the correct channels. If problems persist, repeat the cleanup and maintain deliberate watching habits.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.